Hello, I'm Moody m.alshehaby. Today in this After Effects video I have a mega pack of text animation, all built-in effects and presets, over 140 animation options, well organized. Replace your text and get your animation within a second. I will meet you again after the promo to walk you through the file. Here's our file. First of all, we are here working on effects and presets panel, especially the text effects. Text folder is part of the animation presets. This text folder got about 16 separate folders, and each folder got its own animation options. I did not include each and every animation from each folder. I just got the best of each one. Some other animations don't really seem to look very good, just funky and seems useless. I've tried them all. Each of those folders, I've created a composition for it. See here, first comp 3D text group, and first folder here is 3D text. Second folder is animate in. Second comp is animate in too. As well as, of course, you will find all the compositions in this area. 3D text, animate in, animate out, and so on. If you open any composition, let's say animate in, you will find animate in group composition, and that's where you will find all the animation from the animate in group. And it's the same animate in group composition that you have here inside the final comp. After that you will find 13 composition for 13 animation option. Those are the animations or the options I like more from this folder. The rest of the animation in this folder are not practical, so I did not include them. So we are working on the text animation from the presets panel. Each folder here got its own composition, and if you open any composition, you will find all the animation inside. Each animation is in a separate composition. Then down here in your timeline, you will see each group or composition got its own name beside it, and got a different color too, just to make it easier for you. Let's open Animate in Group and see what's inside. Double click on it. I've got Animate 1 till Animate 13. 13 compositions. If you just pressed on the spacebar, you will play all the animation in this composition together. I know this way is kind of hard to check on each animation, and that's why I've got animation preview in a separate composition. Click here on this composition, preview each group separately, and you'll see all your animation groups as videos, and you can play each one separately. Also check out this folder in here, preview each group separately. This is here the comp that we have in our timeline. Let's say I want to open the Animate in Group preview. Double click on the video, and you will get your video in the preview panel. You can follow the same step to check on each group separately to have a better idea on the animation we've got. Or from this composition here, just activate the eye on the Animate Group layer and press on the spacebar to see all the animation separately. Either way and whichever way is easier for you. Now you must be thinking that's confusing. How to get to the animation I want and how to change it. Very simple, just bear with me for a minute. Play the preview video of any group, then stop for a second. If you notice here in the preview panel, I've divided the screen into sections. I have 4x4 sections, a total of 16 sections in each composition. This is animation 1, then 2, then 3, 4, and so on till the last one will be animation number 16. And the same order will be inside the composition. Let's say I like animation number 2. So how to get to it easily to change it? Bear in mind two things to get to your animation fast. Two things that you have to consider. First, in which group this animation is. I know now that this animation is in Animate in Group. Then secondly, the number of animation within the composition. We said here is first, second, and third, and so on till 16. This animation I want is number 2. So Animate in Group, then animation number 2. Now just go to Final Composition. Open Animate in Composition. I want animation number 2. So open composition number 2, and you will get to your animation. Easy and simple. Just know the group and the number of your animation. Alright, how to change it? Just double click on the text layer to highlight the text. Then write whatever text you want. I will write After Effects. Move with your timeline indicator a layer to see the new text. Now just press on the spacebar to see your animation. You can render it. If you went back to Animate in Composition, you will find the second animation has changed from text to After Effect. I will try another animation. I will choose from Mechanical Group. We have 8 animations in this group. Here is the folder. Go to that preview composition. Activate the eye on the layer, then make sure you remove or hide other eyes on other layers. Press the space bar to check on each animation separately. Again, or go to the preview folder and find the mechanical video, double click on it to play it on the preview panel. Let's say I like the first animation of this group. As mentioned, two things to consider to get your animation fast. First, in which group this animation is. It's in the mechanical group now. And secondly, what's the number of this animation inside the composition. Here's the first one. So go to Final Comp, find Mechanical Comp, double click on it. I chose animation number 1. So I will open first composition here, Mechanical 1, double click on it. This is the animation I want. To change it, double click on the text layer. Let me write something different. Now just press on the spacebar to get the new animation. Easy and simple. Take a minute to go through this file. Watch all the previous videos. Check whichever animation you like. Check in which group is it. Then check what's the number of the animation and find it fast and change it. Download this file from the link in the description below. I'm working on the rest of the animation presets in Effects and Presets panel, and they will be coming your way pretty soon. This file took me some time to get it to you the way it is now, so your appreciation will be appreciated. Thanks for watching. Till next animation, have a good day.